right, today we're going to do multi-step equations. So I'm just going to jump right in. We're going to do 4 examples. We have 6x plus 4x minus 167 equals 153. Okay, I'm going to make sure step 1 is to change all subtraction to adding its opposite. So to addition and opposite. Okay, we should know this by now. Keep, change, change. Okay, so I have a subtraction in here. So 6x plus 4x plus negative 167 equals 153. Second step, we want to combine like terms. So we have 2 terms that we can combine. So step 2, combine like terms. So 6x plus 4x is 10x plus negative 167 equals 153. Now we're down to a 2-step equation. Add opposite to move the value. So here I have a negative 167. I need to add 167 to both sides. Bring down my 10x. 153 plus 167 equals 320. And then we're going to divide by the coefficient. So divide by 10, divide by 10, x is equal to 32. X is equal to 32. All right, we're going to do a couple more examples. I'm not going to write out the directions. We're just going to talk them through. Example 2, negative 12x plus 6x minus 60 equals 90. All right, so I have a subtraction here, so I'm going to change that to negative 12x plus 6x plus negative 60 equals 90. The next step was to combine like terms. They both have an x. Negative 12x plus 6x is negative 6x plus negative 60 equals 90. Now it's a 2-step equation. Add 60 to both sides. I have negative 6x equals 90 plus 60 is equal to 150. Last step is to divide both sides by the coefficient. So that's divide by negative 6, divide by negative 6. X is equal to negative 25. Watch your negatives. All right, 2 more examples. Example 3. Right, we have 69 equals negative 174 plus 6x plus 3x. Now we always like to have the variable on the left side of the equation. So in order to do that, we just are going to switch the order of the problem, just like we did when we were working on 2-step equations. So all we want is to switch the order of the problem. Which means just pick it up and flip its sides. So I'm going to change this now to negative 174 plus 6x plus 3x equals 69. Be careful not to drop any negative signs. All right, combine like terms. So I have negative 174 plus 9x equals 69. I'm going to move the 174 by adding its opposite. Remember, the whole thing is to I isolate that variable. 9x equals 243. Divide by 9, divide by 9. X is equal to 27. All right, one more because I want to involve negatives here when we're flipping it. All right, so we've got example 4. We have 33 equals 8x minus 82 minus 13x. Well, the first thing I'm going to do is switch the order of the problem. So I'm going to switch it to have 8x minus 82 minus 13x equals 33. Okay, now I want to change all my subtractions to addition. So keep 8x. I'm going to change my subtraction to addition, and positive 82 becomes negative 82. I'm going to do the same thing with my subtraction here. That becomes addition, and 13x becomes negative 13x. Okay, now I'm ready. I want to combine like terms. So I have an 8x here, and I have a negative 13x here. 8x and negative 13x is equal to negative 5x. So I'm going to have negative 82 plus negative 5x equals 33. So now you're going to move the value, add 82, add 82. Negative 5x equals 115. Divide by negative 5, divide by negative 5. X is equal to negative 23.